Mathematical reasoning, second section. 11th question. Which of the following figures has fraction of unshaded part less than the fraction of shaded part of the given figure? This is the given figure. How many parts are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 parts. How many unshaded are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 6. This is the fraction. So we have to select the option which is having the fraction less than this. So this figure is having more than 6 parts. So this could not be the answer. This is also having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts more than this. So this could not be the answer. C also having more than 6 parts. So option D is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So denominator is 6. How many unshaded are there? 1, 2. So 2 by 6. So this is more than this. Otherwise 2 by 6 is less than 3 by 6. So option D is the right answer, children. If 1 coffee cup plus burger is equal to 326 and 1 coffee cup plus 1 coffee cup is equal to 230, then find the value of 1 plus 1, 2 burgers. So let's think coffee cup as C, burger as B. So let's write here 1C plus 1B is equal to 326. 1 plus 1, it means 2. C is equal to 230. So 1C is equal to 2 divided 230. So 2 ones are 2 minus 0. This comes down. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So 1 cup is equal to 115. Let's substitute here. 115 plus 1 burger is equal to 326. 1 burger is equal to 326 minus 115. This is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 burger is equal to 211. Find the value of 2 burgers. So 211 into 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 422 is the answer. Option D is the right answer, children. 13th question. The smallest 4-digit number which is a multiple of 13 also is dash. So this is a round figure. So this could not be the answer. Option B 9999. Let's check whether it's a multiple of 13 or not. Let's divide. So it's a two-digit number. So take 2 digits. So 13 sevens are 91. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. So 9 comes down. 13 6 is 78. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So 9 comes down because 11 is smaller than 13. So 13 nines are 117. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is leaving remainder 2. So this could not be the answer. So let's check with option C. Two digits less than 13. So take 3 digits. 13 sevens are 91. 1 minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. So 3 comes down. 13 sevens are 91. 3 minus 1 is 2. 10 minus 9 is 1. So leaving remainder as 12. This could not be the answer. Let's check with option D, 1001. So 13 sevens are 91. Take a borrow. It becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So 1 went borrow. So this becomes 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 comes down. So it becomes 91. 13 sevens are 91. 1 minus 1 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. So leaving remainder as 0. So option D is the right answer, children. 14th question. Compare and fill the box. So Roman numbers are given. We have to compare between these two Roman numbers. So XL is nothing but 40. IV is nothing but 4. 44 minus 10 plus 10 is 20. So 44 minus 20 is nothing but 24. XV is nothing but 15. X plus X plus X is 30. IX is nothing but 9. So 15 plus 39, 54. So 24 is less than 54. Option B is the right answer, children. 15th question. The perimeter of the given figure not drawn to scale is 49 centimeters. Find the length of CD. So we are supposed to find the length of CD. So whole figure's perimeter is given. Perimeter, let's suppose perimeter is nothing but P. P is given as 49 centimeters. CD is not given. So let's add all this. 6 plus 3 plus CD plus 4 plus 4 plus 9 plus 10 plus 4. So let's add. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 plus 10, 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. So CD is equal to, so CD is equal to 49 minus 40. CD is equal to 9 centimeters. So option C is the right answer, children. 16th question. The difference between 8 thousands, 5 hundreds, 9 ones and 3 thousands, 57 ones is dash. So thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. So what is the first number? Ones place is 9. Tens place is not given, so 0. Hundreds place is 5. Thousands place is 8. Difference means minus, so minus symbol. The next number is 3 thousands, 57 ones. 57 ones is nothing but 57. Hundreds place is not given, so put 0. Thousands place is 3. So 9 minus 7 is 2. 0 minus 5 will not go, so take a borrow. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 went borrow over here, so it becomes 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5452 is the answer. So option B is the right answer, children. 17th question. Find the difference between the smallest 5-digit even number and the greatest 5-digit odd number formed by using all the digits 2, 5, 8, 7 and 3. So greatest 5-digit odd number formed from the given numbers is arranging the numbers in descending order 8, 7, 5, 3, 2. If you write 3, 2, it becomes even number, but we need odd number. So write 2, 3. Now it became odd number. Smallest 5-digit even number formed from the given digits is arranging the numbers in ascending order. So we are supposed to subtract difference between these two numbers. So 3 minus 8 will not go. So take a borrow. 13 minus 8 is 5. 1 went borrow. It becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 1 went borrow. It becomes 4. 4 minus 5 will not go. So take a borrow. Becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 1 went borrow over here. So it becomes 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So 63,945 is the answer. So option B is the right answer, children. 18th question. In 2013, the age of Priyanka is less than 70 years and is a multiple of 7. In 2014, her age is a multiple of 6. Which of the following is her age in 2014? So, multiples less than 70 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. In 2014, her age is a multiple of 6. So, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. In 2013, Priyanka's age is equal to less than 70. In 2014, Priyanka's age is equal to multiple of 6. So Priyanka's age is equal to, first suppose if we take 7 5 is 35. In 2014, Priyanka's age becomes 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. So 36 is the multiple of 6, children. So option A is the right answer, children. 19th question. A performance began at 1945. It lasts for 1 hour 25 minutes. At what time did it end? So performance began at 19 hours 45 minutes. So to this we have to add 1 hour 25 minutes. 1 hour 25 minutes. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 and carry. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 20 hours 70 minutes. 70 minutes can be written as 1 hour plus 10 minutes. This to be added to this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 21 hours 10 minutes is the answer, children. So option D is the right answer, children. Question number 20. Find the sum of the first 6 multiples of 6. So what are the multiples of 6, children? 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 24 plus 30 plus 36. First, 6 multiples of 6. 6 plus 12 is 18. Let's add units places. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 2 in tens place. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 126. So first 6 multiples of 6 is 126. Option C is the right answer, children.